Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tyqueez Beauty Tutorials. Here are all things beauty you can find on this channel. Be sure that you like videos like this if you want me to continue to bring them to you. So in this video, we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing, and I'm going to be unboxing this Sunny Day staples. The Sunny Day Staples by Clinique, and I purchased this with my own money. I like Clinique, okay? I love makeup. I love skincare. I like Clinique. I used to work for Clinique. I love Clinique. I built my company off, learning about Clinique and what they stand for and what their products are good for. But I really love Clinique products. And I fell more in love with Clinique when I found out my mom loves aromatics, And aromatic's not a bad scent. And guys, sorry I'm a tad bit still underneath the weather. So yeah, I got this in a pre-sale. And this is the way the bag look, and you can always use a nice bag, especially when you're traveling. I thought this bag was so cute. I love, the color. I love the colors together. It's really nice, if you guys can see. It's a really nice bag. And then on the bottom here, you have like this, teal blue, like almost, I don't know, girl, but it's a beautiful bag. And then here you have like the blue lining with the mint zipper. Yeah, I'm breaking it down, girl, because me love makeup, okay? Okay, so when you open this up, okay, you have like tissue paper here. And of course, so you just take the tissue paper. Be careful because you don't know if you have product in here. Just be careful. Be real careful with that. So yeah. Let's see what this is. So this is Gold Celebration Pop. Gold Celebration Pop. And it looks like this. This is a highlighter. You see how cute that is? Clinique know how to make things look simple and cute. Sorry, my coffee is in there, girl. It's early. Okay, so yeah, Clinique really know how to get it really nice. Okay, I love this. This is nice. Okay, so this, okay, and now we're gonna go into, this looks like the Moisture Surge, which is my favorite. Oh, this is the Moisture Surge SPF 28, which is one of my favorite. They actually came out with this Moisture Surge around the time I was working with Clinique, and I loved it. I loved it. So it has a SPF 28, and if you guys are new to Clinique, it's infused. The Moisture Surge collection from Clinique is infused with aloe vera, and so it's really good. And I also know that they have algae in a lot of their products that helps with like sunburn. It's a natural SPF. So yeah. Oh, so what are these? Let's see. Oh, so you girls, this is one of the #1 sellers in the world. But this is a lip gloss, and this is one of the main reasons why I had to grab this, because I really do love black honey. Okay, and I just love this the gloss. It's nice. I never owned the gloss. I always owned the Almost lipstick, but as you see, I love yes, and I like the fact that the one is like, you see that? Like, that's kind of dope. Could you see how nice that is? I mean, it serves some justice on how good it can really get the lips. You know what I'm saying? I just love. Yeah. So yeah, gives my lips a little bit of color. Um, so where I don't have to do much, and this is okay. So this is the High Impact Waterproof Mascara. I don't really use waterproof mascara because I have sensitive eyes. But I will put this in my makeup kit. Perhaps it may serve justice for someone that I'm doing makeup, or probably give it to my mom, since my mom love Clinique, okay? But I don't know. We'll see. See if she's been a good girl, you know. So yeah, that is what I got in my Clinique kit. And now, oh, before we forget, I have the 7-day scrub here, which is really nice, you know. I've never really used the 7-day scrub, but, you know, for my knowledge, you know, you can use this scrub, you know, on your face. You can use it on your hands. Anything, anywhere where it's rough, you can use this. I've tried it. I like to use it on my face, especially if I have like a lot of product buildup and I haven't had time to exfoliate. This here is a nice exfoliant, and it's a gentle exfoliant. So do keep that in mind. But that is what I have in my unboxing. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And please do subscribe. You want to see more videos like this. And I would love to have you, you know. Let me know what you guys think about this video in the comment below. Please do give me a big thumbs up. Share this video if it can be a help to you. And go check out your local Clinique and get you some products, girl, because all of this, $45, and this is a value of $180. $180 for you that don't understand $180. And I think that could be okay. Yeah, so this is a value of $180. $180. 180. Okay, I paid $45 in America, $45 in other, you know, Russia, any other continents, 15. You know, the value is 180, which is $180. Yes. I don't have time to break that down, but anyway. You get all of these products in there just for $45. I think that's a great steal. I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.